Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this video lecture, we will learn about insertion sort. So to understand this, we take an example of playing cards. Do you observe that? How you arrange playing cards when you play? So let's see. These are 5 cards that are unsorted. Now firstly, we will take the first card. So this is a single card. So there is no operation or no interchange. Now we will take second card. Now it will compare with the first card. So this card is 9. So 9 is small than the 10. So it will interchange. So the first position will be of 9 and then second is the 10. Now we will take the third card. So it will compare with these 2 cards and according to the order it will take the appropriate place. So it will go at the first place. Now these are in the sorting order and these are the unsorted order. Now we will take fourth and fifth element similarly and arrange these according to their order. So 5 will be gone to the second place and now the fifth card will be gone to the first place. So now then these all are in ascending order 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. So this process of arranging any things is called insertion sort. The same process you observe that when your teacher collects answer sheet and arrange them in a ascending order, or when the shopkeeper arrange the things in order of their size. So these are the examples of insertion sort. By all these things, it is clear that insertion sort is a sorting algorithm that builds a sorted list one element at a time from the unsorted list by inserting the element at the correct position on the sorted list. It virtually divides the elements into 2 subcategories. The first one is sorted list and second is unsorted list. Initially, the all elements are in unsorted list and the sorted list will be empty. After then, we will use the procedure of insertion sort and at last the whole data or whole element will be in a ascending order. So this is the process of insertion sort. Now let's see the demonstration. In this program, firstly we are taking a list of 5 elements and elements are 10, 9, 3, 5, 2 and that are in unsorted. Now we will print the original list Li. Now we will use for loop from 1 to length of Li and Li of I will be shift to the key and the value of j will be I minus 1. Now at every loop we will print the L of Li. Now inside the for loop we use while loop and in this we check the condition that j is greater than 0 and key is less than Li of j. If the condition is true, then the Li of j will be shifted to Li of j plus 1 and the value of j minus 1 will be shifted to j, and otherwise the changes will not be done, means everything will be same as the previous. So this for loop will continue till the length of Li and after exit from the for loop we will print the sorted list. So the sorted list in ascending order will be print. Now we will execute this program and after the execution this will be the result. This is the original list and after that these 4 are the steps that how the data elements will be shifted from one place to another places, and last we will printing the sorted list as 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Now this is the procedure of how to arrange the data in ascending order. So the first list is unsorted list. Now the first element is 10. Now in first step the 10 will compare with the 9. So there will be interchange because 9 is less than 10. So now red portion shows the sorted list and white portion shows the unsorted list. Now then 9 and 10 in a sorting list and 3, 5, 2 in a unsorted list. Now we will take the third element 3 and it compare with the 9 and 10. So it will interchange with 9 and 9 will shifted to the right hand side. So the sorted list is 3, 9, 10. Now the next element 5 is compare with all these elements and according to their order it will place at the second position. So 3, 5, 9, 10. Now at last step the 2 will be compare with all these elements and take the position at the first place. Now all these elements are in ascending order, so this is the sorted list. So this is the program of insertion sort. Now let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of insertion sort. So the first one is insertion sort is very efficient and effective when the data sets are small. Then it does not require any additional memory space. Then the third one is it is very fast when the data sets are nearly sorted. And last is it is easy to implement, which is discussed earlier. Now the disadvantages of insertion sort is that if the data sets are large, then it is not efficient. So this is all about insertion sort. Thank you.